Yeah, Galston, when calls come into 311, the incident management team deploys to address issues and encampments or other parts of the city impacted by homelessness. Tonight, we're getting our first look at how many people they've been able to help, and it comes as homeless advocates mourn the deaths of unhoused people in our region.
Diana Wallace,
Shervin, Adash Izad, Cody Spower.
Each name spoken and every candle lit is in remembrance of an unhoused person who passed away in the Sacramento area this year.
Which is tragic.
Dozens gathering Thursday night in front of Sacramento City Hall at a memorial for those 195 souls.
This is a way to honor people's lives.
Homeless advocate Bob Erlenbush says in terms of addressing the crisis, a better connection to resources is needed.
It's critically important for social services in general, but especially those who have a mental health issue or substance use issue.
This comes as the City of Sacramento's incident management team tasked with improving homelessness in the capital city has a new dashboard with data detailing the steps they've taken.
Dare I say it's been going exactly as planned.
Brian Pedro, the team's leader, tells me he's proud of the progress. The data shows that since the week of September 25th, the team has served more than 1,600 unhoused people in the city, all of them receiving help.
The 1,600 are actually the individuals that have accepted some type of service to go to. Now, that service could be going to our Miller Park to take shelter. It could be to our county services.
The team has also removed more than 3.1 million pounds of trash from encampments. Pedro says the team's other main objective is to enforce city code.
If they are out of compliance with an ordinance as far as blocking the sidewalk, then we'll get compliance.
It's important to note that the data collected starts the week after the district attorney sued the city, saying it was not doing enough to address homelessness.
We have been making tremendous progress.
Pedro says the tide is turning and he's constantly thinking of improvements.
Talk about how we can strategically do better on this.
Pedro tells me the next step is trying to make the incident management team more efficient. They're hoping to tackle more mid-sized encampments and deploy multiple teams at the same time. Live in the newsroom tonight, Orca Manna, KCRA 3 News.
All right, thanks for the good update there, Orca. Yeah.